Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to enable Hyper-V in Windows 11 or Windows 10. This is the today video for this is then step by step for it to get this is the finish of this video. Okay, then first step for get to open the BIOS, then open to the BIOS to you will click to the window. You have 10 BIOS setup. You will click to set it to get enable the virtualization technologies. Okay. Then this is the one of the method. Then this is the second method for turn on the Hyper-V. Then get to open the control panel. You will click to the programs. You will see the turn Windows features on or off. You will click to set it to see the this page open it, then see the Hyper-V option, then you will click to enable to get click to OK. This next method for you will get type the CMD, then see that this command protected, then click to the run as AMI's administrator. You will click to set it to you will type that this command to click to the enter, then to this is the automatically enable the Hyper-V option. Okay. Then this is the three methods follow it to anyone you will type it to. This is the problem for solve it. Okay. Then thank you for watching. Anyone doubt to pin the comment.